MacBook Air internal keyboard finally got to here, and as you can see, it actually came from China. This thing came all the way from China. What does it say? It's 15 best option replace A1369 A1466 US layout new. So this is the new MacBook Air A1369 keyboard. So hopefully this is gonna do the job. It looks pretty legit. So let's see if these keyboards well paint. So I'm opening this up. It's wrapped in here pretty nicely, and I am tapping these things. I think they're pretty legit. These are the holes for the screws. So hopefully I'll screw these down, and hopefully that's it. MacBook Air. Okay. So that's the new replacement keyboard, and I'm gonna try to take down my old keyboard. So I'm turning this over, beginning the disassembling process again. I'll document the whole process for you. As you can see, my MacBook Air is 2011 Apple Inc. And it is, I thought it said 1369 somewhere, but anyway, so this is going to be it. The logic board. And logic board, there are a couple things you want to be careful, which I didn't know. The first one is this one, this flip, this flip, and also this flip for the cables. And the fan cable, there is also a flip right here. See this flip? When you plug the cable in, and then you just flex cable in and just press this lock mechanism. So there's one, there's two, there's three. There's also this one here, which is four. So these are the locking mechanism. It's actually on here that you need to be careful. Um, and same thing with this one, which is a speaker. I actually broke one speaker connection, but they're cheap to buy anyway, so I'm okay. So here's the logic board that's removed. Place it on the side. Now I'm ready to tear apart this backlight uh, black paper sheet. It's glued down in there. I'm going to be very, very careful and very, very patient and try to salvage this backlight. And I already disconnected the screen cable, here, because I got the new, so like I said, I'm going to be very, very careful to remove this backlight. Very, very slow, so I can preserve this backlight. Bang. Then I'll get to the screen. This is taped onto this keyboard, and I'm gonna reuse this, and that's why I want to be very Very, very careful. Nothing dramatic. You know, I'm not gonna do anything dramatic to upset this. And apparently, if you rip this thing a little bit, it's not the end of the world. It will still work. So as you can see here, this is actually glued down to the keyboard. So I'm taking my time to tear this thing slowly. You can see there is 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers. So there are a couple of layers of this backlight thing. Just take it slow, very nice and gentle to remove this, and it will come apart, and you can get to the what do you call it, the keyboard underneath this backlight screen. So, and this is what I'm doing, which is taking it extremely slow, you know, because I want to preserve this backlight thing. Almost there, halfway done. So far so good. I didn't tear apart anything, so I can definitely review this backlight thing. Oops. Yeah. Still tore that apart a little bit. Like I said, it's not the end of the world. Oops. Tore apart here. Very slow. Oops. So I did break this thing. See? See there. Oh well. Put it on the side. Like what I'm doing here. Really take it slow. Don't tore this apart. This one didn't come up. I'm almost, the tear down is almost to the key, the end of it, and I can almost see the keyboard. There we go. Not 100%. Yeah, not 100% preserved, but enough to uh, preserve this thing. So I think so far so good. You know, I'm going to be reusing this. So put it on the floor now. Now, as you can see, yeah, they're on the peripheral or on the, you know, around here. There are, I think about 50 screws that I'm supposed to take apart. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, Phillips, just this guy here. And I'm gonna reuse these screws, by the way, so I'm gonna keep them in a good place. One, to, oops, what happened? What happened to that tiny screw? It's so easy to, it's so easy to disappear. This tiny screw. Okay, all of them. And now here's the fun part. I think on YouTube they just used what do you call that? They just used duct tape to tape it down to. Whoa! Yeah, I'm trying to bend it. Anyway, they just used the duct tape to try to peel away this keyboard here. I'm just using my brute force to remove it. As you can see, it's slowly coming up. Ooh. See this old keyboard? Oh. I think I'm supposed to. Oh boy. Alright, let me take these screws away. And I think I'm supposed to. Protect or not do this while my display is under. So let me try to do that. Let me get these screws out of here first.